YouTube, welcome to day number 2 at the Do Try This at Home School cooking week. Today we are going to make pea soup so that we can dip in our lovely rolls that we made yesterday. I'm going to follow a recipe from Hugh Fearnley-Whittingstall. The original recipe from our wartime cooking book tells me that we need to cook peas in pods and that there is no stock in it. I don't think that's going to be as tasty as the one that we are using, but if you want to use this one, I will leave a photograph of the recipe at the end of this video. I got 2 helpers today. I will find them. Here is one, and here is the other one. Let's get cooking! So this recipe needs some cooking oil, a bit of butter, an onion, 1 litre of vegetable stock, 500 grams of fresh shelled peas. We are going to use peas from our freezer. And then you can add flat leaf parsley and a bit of salt and pepper. We're going to put in a bit of thyme and some mint. Now, you may have noticed I have an issue with my onions. My onion was no good. It had gone mouldy. So, we ran next door to find John. He has shallots. So, we are going to be using 3 shallots. And my trusty helpers are going to cut up some spring onions. Let's hope this works. Whoop!
Where did it? Oh, there. There. Ta-da!
Now we're going to weigh out our 500 grams of frozen peas, freshly picked from somewhere not very far away. Okay, could you tip these into there?
Okay. All of them.
Yeah, all of them.
Ah, that's
How many
cold.
grams are we up to? And just taking some of the leaves off the thyme because we're going to cook them in a minute. So now we've chopped up all of our ingredients, we are going to cook our soup on top of the hob. I will do this bit. So in our pan we've got a bit of vegetable oil and a little bit of butter. We're going to put it on a medium heat on the hob. To our pan we're going to add the onion, and the thyme. You can let it cook for a minute. My husband has just walked in and said it smells like a restaurant. It's a good thing. It actually smells really good already. So after about 5 or 10 minutes on quite a low heat, your onions will be nice and soft, and then you can add your stock. I've got a litre of stock. And 500 grams of frozen peas. Give it a stir. Turn it up a bit. And then you leave it to simmer for about 10-15 minutes. You can add salt and pepper as well if you want to. So the soup has been cooking for about 15 minutes. The table is ready, and now we need to blend the soup. In the original recipe, they didn't have a blender, so they used to push their soup through a sieve with a spoon. I would think that takes quite a long time. Anyway, I am going to cheat and I am going to use the blender. Be really careful when you're blending that you don't splash boiling water all over yourself. So you should have some bright green soup now. It would be really good for Halloween. Now I'm going to feed it to my children. Hugh Fearnley-Whittingstall adds a little bit of mint to his soup when he's cooked it.
Eat.
Go on then, test it. Is it good?
Mhm.
Got your war bread?
Mhm.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying your pea soup and eating it with some of your nice bread that you made yesterday. Tomorrow we are going to be making carrot buns. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but we will see. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and everywhere else. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.